Dr. Pillai, what is the secret to manifesting more quickly with this mantra?
There are two things to consider. One is instantaneous manifestation, and the other is delayed. The instantaneous is in the domain of the divine. The delayed is in the human domain. The human domain is cause and effect. We are all bound by this cause and effect, and we are victims to that. We can manifest without a cause, and that is instantaneous. But then we are rooted in this concept of cause and effect. Even our genes are programmed that way. So in order to manifest instantaneously, you need a divine help. And Shreem Brzee, being of a divine origin, being a sound that can work even at the subatomic level, or going even beyond the subatomic level, because the sounds have the ability, certain sounds can do that. So delayed manifestation is due to our human nature. Everybody, predicts that they are going to make money at a later time because of their concept of time. Shreem Brzee will go and change the concept of time. And that's how it works. And then you will be able to manifest more because you will vibrate with Shreem Brzee, which is a divine sound. And when you do that, then you'll be able to be on the domain of the divine and manifest quickly. But you have to do the practice, over and over again. In fact, you should become Shreem Brzee itself. Take the thought out of your mind, all the other thoughts. And the one thought that should dominate your being, body, mind, and soul, should be Shreem Brzee. Then instantaneous manifestation will be, easy.